Good evening. Masks are back. Today, the governor announced that starting Friday, every New Mexican, regardless of their vaccination status, will have to wear a mask indoors in public once again.
And that's not all. There are new vaccine requirements for people who work in certain places like nursing homes and hospitals. The mandates are getting mixed reaction. News 13's Rachel Knapp has the latest.
Justin Dean, some vaccinated people tell me they're annoyed with the mask mandate because they say they've done their part and now we're falling behind again. Life in New Mexico is about to look like it did back in May, when going to public places like the grocery store and other indoor spots required you to wear a mask.
We know that the pandemic is not over and that we're in a pivotal moment in the state.
Today, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham told New Mexicans coronavirus cases and hospitalizations are up and changes must be made to slow the spread. So starting this Friday, regardless of vaccination status, everyone 2 years and older has to wear a mask indoors again. Except for, of course, when you're eating or drinking.
It's not about individuality at this point. It's about keeping everyone safe together as a group.
So with the ones that aren't vaccinated, it's better to be safe than sorry. So I agree with it.
People we talk to welcome the news.
I do support the mask mandate, only because it's been proven to keep people safe.
While others feel it's annoying but necessary.
I thought it would be going forward, especially that we didn't have to wear the mask because we got vaccinated and vaccinations are out, and I'm like, yes, no mask. Yeah, and I'm like, oh, why?
I don't see too much wrong with it. I don't think it's too much of a hassle, but I don't know, it's a bit of an inconvenience.
But masks aren't the only change.
We are requiring for all hospital workers and all workers in congregate care settings to be vaccinated.
Unvaccinated people in those categories must get the shot in 10 days starting from today. If they have an exemption, they must be tested for COVID on a weekly basis. This vaccination requirement is being praised by organizations like the New Mexico Medical Society and Nurses Association, who says our state's healthcare workers need to lead by example. And for people who work in public, private, or charter schools, they must also get vaccinated or get tested weekly. The change is applauded by the state's teacher union.
Masks and vaccines keep students and educators safe. Safe in-person learning is the gold standard.
The mask mandate will be in effect until at least September 15th. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Rachel. Also, if you plan on attending the state fair, which starts September 9th, you'll need to prove you're vaccinated or show a document from a doctor stating you're medically exempt. If you do that, you'll need to provide a proof of a negative COVID test within 48 hours of entering the fairgrounds.